How you doing? Lakota, come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. There you go. Good girl. Hi, Marley. How are you? Hey, Sam. How's it going? Yeah, these aren't mine. I'm at the Iowa Parrot Rescue. Hi, Marley. Arf. Hey, Lily. Hello. Zazu. So if anybody's in the area and want a bird, I'm not shopping, I'm at a parrot rescue. Hopefully you can hear me. I should have put my headset in. Yeah, I'm at the Iowa Parrot Rescue. Hey. Strike a pose. Pretty bird. Yeah, pretty bird. Hi. Hi, Peanut. Oh yeah. Yeah, this place is really great. Mr. Herky. How'd you find your walnut? Busted. Yeah, you busted. I see you eating your walnut. How you doing, buddy? Tuffy. Was you tough? Are you tough, Tuffy? Hi. Oh yeah, Kino? Then what happened? Hi, Kino. Where's your duckies? Where's your rubber duckies? What are you doing, buddy? Oh, yeah? This is Casey. She is a permanent resident here. Hi, Casey. I know you remember Qbert. Hello. Crumbles. How you doing? Angelica. Bogey. How's Bogey? Hey, turn your volume up and see if you still want one. Hi. A peach front and an orange front. Kind of. It's the Iowa Parrot Rescue. It's in Letts, Iowa. Hey, Leo. Hi, Leo. Oh, look at you. Right? Yeah, that's one of the volunteers here. Is like, so do you ever wear earplugs? Say, yep. Hey, Ray. Hi, a pretty bird. Hello. Hi, Leo. Yeah. Hi. How's Leo? You doing good? Tanny. Good Tanny. Good Tanny. Oh, they asked how many macaws I was going to take. It's like, yeah. Well, okay. You don't have to take it. What do you think? Hi, Max. Pop that in there for you. We'll just chuck it on the floor. Hi, baby. This is baby. Hi, baby. Well, come up here, Goofy. There you go. What's up, Oscar? Huh? How's Oscar? There you go, buddy. There you go. Oh, yeah, I've got a limit. As much as I love the twos, I'll be very happy just coming and visiting them here. See you later. Otto. Come here, girl. What are you doing? I'm doing good. How are you doing? Come here. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah, for now. I tell you though, I'd really like to come back for her when she's cleared for adoption. Right now she's still on a medical hold. They just came in about a week ago. Hi, Coda. Hi, Coda. Here, Elvis. Hi. Here is Otto and Ollie. Hi. What are you doing? Are you a good girl, Ollie? You ready for a long drive? Huh?